Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to use Hyundai Automatic Air Recirculation Washer Fluid Mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's choose here the setup. Afterwards, let's select the vehicle. Then choose here the climate, it's the third tab from the left, and select here internal air circulation. As you can see now, you've got access to activation on washer fluid use. So if you'd like to enable or disable this function, you can use this checkbox. So what it does, when you pull the stalk to clean your windshield, the car immediately shuts off incoming fresh air and switches to internal recirculation. This seals out the heavy chemical aroma of the washer fluid from entering the cabin. I think it's quite useful, so I like to have this enabled. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.